Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Acorns password. Watch the video till the end. To reset your Acorns password, firstly open your Acorns application. Enter your email address to log in and click on continue. On the next page, to reset your Acorns password, tap on Forgot Password. You will receive an email with the reset instructions. Tap on Got It. Check your email and tap on it. To reset your Acorns password, enter last 4 digits of your social security number. Enter your new password and confirm your password by re-entering it. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Your password must be at least of 8 characters, one special character with the upper and lowercase character, and a number. After entering your new password, tap on Change Password. This is how you can reset your Acorns password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.